Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear grade 5 students, hello again. I am Ahmed Al Farahati and I wish you all the best of everything. Today, inshallah, we will study Unit 5, Friendship, Lesson 3. Please open your class book to page 52. This page. What are the aims of this lesson? Let's check. Unit 5, Friendship. Lesson 3, Classbook pages 52 and 53. Activities 1, 2, and 3. The aims. In this lesson, students will revise 8 question words and their use. Practice asking and answering questions with a friend. Match questions and answers. Let's go to page 52 of your class book. Grammar. Activity 1. Listen, read, and speak. Listen to the conversation between Zainab and Nawal. Practice it with a partner, using information about yourself. We have here Zainab and Nawal. You are going to listen to the conversation between them. Listen and complete the conversation.
Listening 5.2.
Hello,
Hi,
what's your name?
Nawal,
How old are you?
11,
Where do you live?
Rustaq,
When's your birthday?
25th of June,
Who's your best friend?
Anisa.
You can listen again and again and try to complete this conversation. Let's complete this conversation. Nawal. 11. Rustaq. 25th of June. Anisa. Now, listen again in order to check these answers.
Listening 5.2.
Hello,
Hi,
what's your name?
Nawal,
How old are you?
11,
Where do you live?
Rustaq,
When's your birthday?
25th of June,
Who's your best friend?
Anisa.
Now you are asked to practice this conversation with a partner, with your friend, your brother, your sister, or anyone, using information about yourself. Let's read these questions again. Which words are the question words? Yes, I have here. What's your name? How? Where? When? Who? These are question words. Activity 2. Match the questions and answers. You have here 8 questions. Let's read them. What's your favorite subject? Who did you visit at the weekend? Where is the post office? How do you come to school? Why are you late? When did you move to Muscat? Whose birthday is it today? Which animal has a pouch? By bus, the kangaroo. 4 years ago, next to the supermarket. Ali's. Science. My grandmother. Because I forgot my book. Now take your time and use your pencil to match the questions and answers, then come back to check your answers. Hello again. Let's look at the questions again. What's your favorite subject? Yes, the answer is science. Science is my favorite subject. Who did you visit at the weekend? My grandmother. Where is the post office? Next to the supermarket. How do you come to school? By bus. Why are you late? Because I forgot my book. When did you move to Muscat? 4 years ago. Whose birthday is it today? Ali's. That means Ali's birthday. Which animal has a pouch? The kangaroo. Dear students, can you underline the WH words here? Yes. What is a WH word that we use to ask about a thing? Who is a WH word that we use to ask about a person? Where is a WH word that we use to ask about a place? How is a WH word that we use to ask about manner? Why is a WH word that we use to ask about the reason? When is a WH word that we use to ask about time? Whose is a WH word that we use to ask about ownership? And which is a WH word that we use to ask about a choice? Let's go to page 53. Activity 3. Read and complete. Read the question words in the box, then read the questions and answers underneath. Complete each gap with one of the question words from the box. Whose, why, where, how, when, who, what, which. Let's read the questions. When do you go to bed? At 9 o'clock. Yes. When is it chosen here? Because the answer is time, at 9 o'clock. Space. Did Siham go to Salala? By plane. Are you crying? Because I have lost my phone. Was Ibn Battuta a famous explorer? Dress do you want? The red one. Did you do yesterday? I went fishing with my dad. Is Hasp in the north of Oman? Car is that, my brothers. Now take your time and use your pencil to do the activity, then come back to check your answers. Hello again. Let's complete each gap with one of the question words from the box in order to check your answers. And I will give you the reason why do I choose this WH word. 2. Yes, we have here by plane. How? Because how is a WH word that we use to ask about manner. 3. Are you crying? Because I have lost my phone. Yes. Why? Because we use why to ask about reason. Was Ibn Battuta a famous explorer? Yes. Who was Ibn Battuta? Because we use who to ask about a person. The red one. Yes. Which? Which dress? Because we use which to ask about a choice. Did you do yesterday? I went fishing with my dad. What? What did you do yesterday? Because we ask about a thing. Is Hasp in the north of Oman? Yes. Where is Hasp? Because we use where to ask about a place. Yes. Whose car is that? Because we use whose to ask about ownership. He said, my brothers. By this we've achieved the aims of this lesson. Thank you for following me. See you soon in another lesson. Goodbye.